So, good day. I am Geoffrey S. Bonete and my partner.
Nico Amusco.
So, we were in subject experimental design and data analysis. So, we were in topic 7, the comparisons of means. So, we will answer the topic 7, activity number 1. So, we will refer the recorded lecture on t-test for the independent sample for this activity. So, we will create a video recording. So, in first, we will create 100 observants or respondents datas, and we will compute the p-value on the null hypothesis, whether reject or accept. So, and we will use the online calculator on the we will base on recorded lecture on t-test, and also we will use the
Kolmogorov-Smirnov.
Kolmogorov ano ba yun? Kolmogorov
Smirnov
test
for normality.
for normality test. So we will go to the datas we created. So we created the data for the professor.
The professor wants to know which is better, online quizzes or face-to-face quizzes. The professor tests the section Automotive A and section Automotive B. The professor gives quiz same question. The professor creates same question and 50 items. Section A, online quiz scores. Section B, face-to-face quiz scores.
So that was our data problem, and here are the scores of the respondents. 100 respondents in section Auto A and section Auto B. In order for us to know the normality, we will calculate. We will use the online calculator to know this normality. So we will copy this Automotive A section, and we will use this Kolmogorov-Smirnov test of normality. So we will paste and calculate for normality. So yun. We have the our Kolmogorov normality data was success. So
The p-value is 0.1797. Your data does not differ significantly from that which is normally distributed.
So we calculated normal. We will screenshot, and so next was, so we know our data section A was normal, so we will delete it. We will go to the section B. We will copy and paste it here. In reset lang pala. So we will paste the section B, the ano ba to? Face-to-face online scores. The first one was the online quiz. So we will calculate, and there.
The p-value is 0.27184, and which is normally distributed.
So we our number 2 data was normally distributed and we calculated success. Screenshot. Next, we will use the calculator, the t-test calculator for two independent means. So, in treatment 1, we will copy and paste here the automotive A, which is online
Quiz
quiz scores. So, in treatment 2, we will paste the
face-to-face quiz scores.
face-to-face quiz scores. So, first we will copy this section automotive A, which is the online, paste. And copy this section automotive B, which is the face-to-face quizzes. So next, we will use the 0.05 significance level and the two-tailed hypothesis. Enable for us to calculate a good data in 5% significance level. So, we will calculate. And our test was success.
The output of this calculator is pretty straightforward.
So, here was the scores, the calculations of our test. So, in section 1,
In section A, automotive, the mean is 45.31. And automotive B, which is face-to-face quiz scores, the mean is 25.09.
so
Means
it means the result was
online quiz scores are
higher than face-to-face.
scores.
So, we got the t-value 56.
The t-value is 56.28656 and the p-value is less than 0.0001. So the result significance is p is less than 0.5. So the null hypothesis is rejected.
So, next, we will create the data analysis of our results. So, this was the data analysis. So, first, we calculated the normally distributed in data A and data B. So, normally distributed. So, the parameters of our significance level was 0.05.
The result, the mean of online quiz is 45.31. Mean of face-to-face quiz scores 25.09.
And the interpretation was the online quiz performs better. So, in result number 2, we computed the p-value, which is 0.0001 interception. Since computed p-value is less than 0.05, therefore the hypothesis is rejected. So, this was the result of our datas. And next was to the data analysis.
We created our own datasets to know which is better between online quiz scores and face-to-face quiz. In section Automotive A, we test the normality 0.1797 and section Automotive B 0.27184, which the two sections was normally distributed. We prove it using the online calculator Kolmogorov. After we test the normality, we use the t-test calculator and set it into 0.05 significance level and two-tailed. So the result in t-test mean online quiz 45.31 and the mean for face-to-face quiz score 25.09. The t-value is 56.28656. The p-value is less than 0.0001. The result is significant at p less than 0.5. Since the p-value is less than significance level, the hypothesis will be rejected. Therefore, the two kinds of quiz are statistically different. So, the result of our datasets was successfully calculated. The professor find out that the online quiz got the high score than face-to-face quiz. So, that's all.
So thank you for listening. We hope that you understand our data's analysis. So thank you.